I'm Jeff Rosica, Executive Vice President and Chief Sales and Marketing Officer for Grass Valley, and it's good to have you here at IBC 2011. Here at IBC, we're announcing several new important product innovations. The first one being our Karrera Video Production Center. This is a new mid-range or mid-price production switcher that takes the technology from our famous Cayenne switcher and the technologies of our very popular kayak switcher line and blends them together into a very powerful, cost-effective platform for production. The second important introduction here at IBC is we're showing to the European market our new Stratus platform. Stratus is a media workflow application suite that allows users to blend together all of the content assets that you have and all of the application tasks that you have and brings them together into a powerful platform that allows users to work across the entire workflow from ingest to production to QC all the way to play out, and allows a very flexible approach to managing those workflows. And this is something we're very excited about. It is really a big part of the future for our company. The third thing that we're showing here today is in our camera line. We've introduced back at NAB a new concept in which Triax and Fibre are able to be managed within the same infrastructure, and that we did that through the introduction of our 3G transmission. And that's a transmission system that allows both Fibre and Triax to have the same performance and the same capabilities with no compromise. Today what we've announced here at IBC is the new twin base station, and this is the world's first innovation, and this is where Triax and Fibre are both in the same base station. So now an OB van, as an example, can have a base station in the truck, and whether or not they need Fibre or they need Triax for a given shoot or a given application, both are available there in the truck. As far as the future of Grass Valley, where we see things happening, obviously we're a very large supplier of different products, from cameras to switchers to servers, etc. And that's always going to be an important part of our company. But we also see software solutions and services all coming together to have much more of a solution focus for our company as a very, very important part of our structure and our vision for the future. And so Grass Valley going forward will very much focus on a solution aspect, on how we can help customers solve problems or pursue opportunities for their business. And our job is to help customers look at those situations and figure out the right solution to solve those problems or to gain those opportunities. And that means bringing together a seamless integration of products, both hardware and software, services, and bringing that together as a solution. Also here at IBC, we announced a very important alliance between Cameron Pace Group and Grass Valley. And this alliance is with James Cameron and Vince Pace, and together with them, we're going to work to make 3D much more of a viable solution in production. One of the challenges with 3D is today's technology that's in the market, or has been in the market, required a separate 2D and 3D production. And that simply isn't going to work in the business needs today. So what we're going to do with Cameron Pace is work together on how we can advance the world of 3D. One example is to try to ensure that 2D and 3D productions can be done together, because the economics have to make sense. It's very, very hard to justify two production crews, two sets of equipment, and two completely different workflows. So both Cameron Pace Group and Grass Valley see it as an important contribution to the industry to figure out the needed technology, the workflow improvements, and the business changes to allow for a united 2D and 3D production. Some people call it 5D. We just see it as trying to produce 3D in the same environment that you produce 2D today. So we're excited about this alliance with Cameron Pace Group.